Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is The Tempest by William Shakespeare. I am going to give you the summary of Act 5, Scene 1. Act 5, Scene 1 is the last act and last scene of the play. The scene takes place before Prospero's cell where it enters in magic robes accompanied by Ariel. Ariel tells Prospero that he left Alonso, Antonio, and Sebastian imprisoned as prisoners in the grove of lime trees. They cannot move from there easily unless they are released by his order. All of them have gone crazy. Prospero has become lenient towards his enemies. He has decided to excuse them. He asks Ariel to free them and bring them before him so that he may break his magic spell and bring them back to their normal senses. Prospero, in the presence of all the spirit of hills, rivers, and groves, decides to give away his magic wind and the books of magic. Next, Alonso and others are brought before Prospero. They are all confused and under a kind of magic spell. In his humble words, Prospero expresses his gratitude to Gonzalo for being kind enough to supply him food and books on the boat. Then he addresses them one by one, remembering their treachery or sin they had committed. He forgives them with all his dignity. By removing his magic robe, Prospero appears as the former Duke of Milan to greet the King of Naples with a clean heart. Prospero then takes Alonso to his cell to produce a wonder for him. They too see Ferdinand and Miranda playing chess in the cell. Alonso's heart jumps with joy on seeing his son alive. Now, Ariel enters the cell followed by Master and Boatswain. The boatswain tells Alonso that they were dead asleep in the ship. They were awakened by loud noise. They found the ship looking fresh and undamaged. Once again, Ariel brings Stefano, Caliban, and Trinculo in their stolen clothes. Prospero then rebukes them before the king. He especially rebukes Caliban, whom he describes to be as disproportioned in his manners as in his shape. He tells them if he desires to be pardoned, he must go with his friends to his cell and decorate it. Caliban promises to be wise hereafter. He goes out with Stefano and Trinculo. Next, Prospero promises that in the morning he shall take Alonso and his followers to their ship so that they can sail to Naples, where he wishes to see the marriage of his dear daughter with Ferdinand. After their marriage, Prospero decides to retire to his dukedom in Milan. Since Ariel has performed his tasks obediently and well, Prospero liberates him so that he can roam freely through the year. Ariel promises calm seas and favorable winds for their voyage from the island to Naples. Up to this much. With this, I am concluding Act 5, Scene 1. In my next video, I am going to bring the question pattern. Until then, goodbye.